unofficial room tour. So this is the closet. Got some hangers, space, and free slippers. Hello. And the bathroom comes with all the toiletry, so no need to worry about bringing toothbrush, toothpaste, or forgetting stuff. You have it all here. And the soap and shampoo, conditioner, the bed, TV, and that's it. Hello, welcome to my vlog. We finally made it to Japan, and I feel really gross because I was just on an 11-hour flight plus a 2-hour connecting flight. So the first thing I'm gonna do is shower and just freshen up, and then I'll see you tomorrow morning. I thought these were pajamas, but actually it's for laundry, so you can just place it in the bag. That's cool. It is now 5 a.m. I woke up because of jet lag, so I guess I will be able to do a lot today since I woke up early. Maybe I'll buy some breakfast at the convenience store since it's open 24 hours, and then coffee. And then we're off to an adventure. I could tell you where we're going, but then it won't be a surprise anymore, so you'll see when we get there. Rise and shine, early bird gets the worm. Isn't this view so pretty? It's so calming and quiet here too. It's a really nice hotel. Given by the airport, it's not loud. So the plan for today is to go to Kyoto, drop off my luggage. Hopefully they'll let me check it in before the room opens. So they'll hold it, and then I can go out and explore the area and then go a little bit further and see what other interesting attractions there are. Quick outfit check. Is it cute? I tend to have questionable fashion taste, so let me know in the comments below your actual thoughts. But this is my favorite color scheme, so I'm happy. So if I'm happy, we're all happy. Please select a section for There's no credit card. So this is the Sakura soy latte. Tastes really good, kind of like strawberry, cherry. And then this is the Sakura matcha donut with some jelly inside. Really good too. I wish we had more of this in America. And the stripe is cute. It's like $895 yen for both of these. flavor milk candy. Limited edition Himeji grape peach. Chocolate pie, strawberry cake. It's good. Ooh, grilled rusk sugar cakes. I don't know what rusk is. Chocolate gel. Cup noodle. Seafood. Seafood cup noodle. 0 chocolate, sugar free. Different. This Hello Kitty looks different.
あと1分ほどで発車。特急はるかの10号、京都行き発車します。快速列車ご利用の方々。
So I'm walking through this kind of food shopping street, or like near Himeji Castle. Yeah, Himeji Castle. This looks the side view or the front view. I don't know. So excited. But we can go eat first by the chairs, benches.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, your ponzu.
Yeah. It's the map. Cherry blossom right there. Really cute. They look like cotton candy. The way they're like.
Oh yeah, no, I get it. I see. Duck.
Is that a crow?
Yeah.
Oh. Steps are interesting. Well, these aren't that steep.
I mean, like,
When you get to some of them. Oh, maybe like the water is supposed to run through
Oh,
here
yeah.
and there.
also like it's to make it easier.
No. Were we supposed to? No. Like, we're not going hiking.
We sped up construction of the castle.
Oh, they wood on the other end.
Huh. This is what the inside of the castle looks like. Wow. Oh. Oh, no wonder it's so breezy. The architecture of the building.
Basement, the
Oh, there's 6 floors.
yeah, 6 floors, yeah.
Yeah. Look how steep these are. Oh, wow. So many steps.
Maybe it's for like archery positions.
Oh, yeah. You literally can't see anything through the window when I was trying to film. Oh, there it is. It's the top of the 6 floors. Wow. This is my favorite room because of the windows and it's so bright. just finished the castle. It's right behind me. Whoa, this is a really deep well. And there's coins at the bottom. Zoom doesn't work that far. Okay.
It's 7 hours you just
To walk. Oh, the procession.
yeah.
Yeah. It's a tiger.
It's a
And
tiger.
it embodies a fish.
It's a tiger that embodies a fish.
With a body of a fish.
Where are you reading this?
Right there.
A tiger that embodies a fish. There you go.
I mean, the fish one part was, yeah. I wonder if they had furniture before in this corridor. Or if it was just a hallway. No, this one's like blocked off right here. Oh, this one has big windows. I like this. Spacious. A good view of the castle from here. It's like very clear to see. Oh, look at the little mug. It's a Himeji Castle. Ooh, that was pretty. I think so.
I'm trying to understand.
Yeah. This is Parisian. Realm.
I went to Singapore a few years ago with Ancient.
Okay, it's doing this in the garden and stuff. The
Ooh, water.
Ooh, moss.
Ooh, this is really cute too, like one of the houses. So pretty here. I love the traditional architecture. Ooh, look at this. The bridge. I think it's better on the side. Ooh, there's koi fish in the water. This is pretty. This is even prettier. Whoa. They're so pretty. Whoa, this one's really close. Whoa. The color is like pink and orange. That one's spotted. Salmon color. Yeah. Whoa, the traditional housing interior. Oh, this is cool. Ooh, it's like a fairy tale garden. Whoa, this bridge. I know where koi fish. There's a lot. Whoa.
I like dogs, but I'm just more of a cat person.
Whoa. Rocks.
I like the rock.
Yeah. This is a cherry blossom.
A little bit less common, I think.
Still, like, grows really good thing. So.
And it's also more sustainable.
Right.
This is so calming. Hearing the wind through the bamboos. Green tea and roasted green tea and matcha. Matcha and sakura parfait.
It's like vegan. It's really good. What sort of snack are you creating? That I would need. My charger.
True. Oh my god. Do we have a nice view? Whoa. Oh, I think it's mild, and then the middle is like more flavor, and then the last one is just spice.
Is it good?
Okay, I thought you were gonna say regrets.
Well, they should have started it, but it's pepper. It's just like regular pepper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe you should. I wouldn't recommend you. Ooh, what's that?
Pickled ginger, right? What's this? Some cabbage?
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna fry this. Oh, I put it on my sauce. You gotta stir up your sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you not eat spicy?
Are you interested in getting foundation?
I want to get something Japanese made.
This brand
On TikTok,
Sure.
on YouTube, everywhere. It's
Ooh.
trending.
No, I've seen it like in Japan.
This is cute. Stuck together. And then our heart. My magnet. Hello Kitty backpack. Oh, here you are. $65 for this. It's cute with the hat. This is $30. Sakura. Candy. Ooh, this one's cute. It's like a chocolate edition.
뭐? 전화가 삔, 빛? 빛? 난 빛. 빛? 왜냐면 난 빛을 더 많이 써. 잘 졸라큰 이러고. 나 실제 기억내. 한국에서. 아, 기억내.
Oh, these are so cute. It's like a tweed but cream color. Oh, look at this one. They have the blue one and the pink one. And then the mini one. Oh, what is this? A bag? Huh. Ooh, this is cute. Coin purse. Ooh, this one. Piano. Baby. Hello. You didn't go. These are so cute, but I don't know if it'll fit me. Size is super big. Oh, is this a sleepwear? This is really pretty too. Okay, it's on sale. I guess it comes with these shorts, which is also pretty cute. Oh, this is a big size. Medium large, okay. Oh, this is a really cute hoodie. Oh my god, everything is cute. I can't buy everything. I love My Melody and Hello Kitty the most.